Hello everyone, I am Vijay and this is a bench-stack project titled Travel Itinerary Planner. The goal of this project is to simplify travel planning by allowing users to create, manage and customize their travel itineraries digitally instead of doing everything manually. This application is built using MongoDB, Express.js, React.js and Node.js. Here we have authentication module of our application. Users can securely register and log in using their email and password. We have implemented JWT-based authentication to ensure secure access and session management. Only authenticate users can access their personal dashboard and itineraries. Here in register, we can create an account by giving a username, email and password. Here I have account, so I will log in directly. After successful login, the user is redirected to the dashboard. From here, users can view their saved itineraries, create new travel plans or edit existing ones. Dashboard acts as central hub for managing all travel related data. Here we have an interface to find tools or which country you would like to export. For the time being, I'll give the input here as India. Find tools. Here we can see Jim Corbett National Park. Here we have details about this national park and where it is located and how much it costs per person and how far it is. We can also share our thoughts by giving our reviews, submit our rating and submit our review. Review submitted successfully. Here we can see my name and the date I submitted the review and what I have given and the number of stars. Going to home again. We can find the tools by the holidays of interest. We have included devotional tools, heritage tools, cultural tools and educational tools. Everything is included in that. For the time being, I'll click hill station tools. Here we can see Manali Adventure, Swiss and OTT Gardens. I'll click on Manali Adventure, give the full name, phone number and the date and number of guests. For the time being, it will be 2. And we have also included payment with Razorpay. Enter card details. The payment will process and it will redirect us to payment successful page. Here we can see tourist booked and we'll redirect to home, and we also get a confirmation email from travelers, that is our website, that Manali Adventure is confirmed and a booking ID is generated and the number of guests will be also included in the mail. We can view our edit itinerary in our snapshots dashboard. Here we can see the detailed view of our generated itinerary. Users can view the complete day-wise plan, included places to visit, activities. They also have flexibility to edit, update, delete itineraries as needed. This follows full CRUD operations. Here we can see upcoming trips and the past trips we have done And we also have included a budget planner that we wish to spend for this trip. We can edit it as 50,000, and we can add a description of expenses. I'll include train tickets and the amount for train tickets is 5,000. I'll categorize it as transport. I'll click on add expense. Here we can see train tickets and rupees 5,000 is added in expenses. And in budget planner, we can also see that 5,000 is spent totally and the remaining is minus 5,000. And their budget is also given. In the same way, we can add expenses as we do expenditure in our trip. And this is our about page. We have included some hyperlinks about us, contact us, and newsletter. You'll get all updates once if you give your email here. Click on subscribe. So I've already subscribed to the newsletter. You will receive all the updates from the website. And coming to tech stack and deployment, the backend is built using Node.js and Express.js with MongoDB as the database. The frontend is developed using React.js with a responsive UI design. The project is deployed online and complete source code is available on GitHub. In conclusion, the Travel Itinerary Planner provides simple, secure, and user-friendly solutions for planning trips digitally. This project helped us to gain hands-on experience with full-stack development, REST APIs, authentication, and deployment. Now I'll quickly walk you through the overall project structure of our application. This project follows a clean modular main stack architecture with separate folders for frontend and backend. At the root level, we have configured the files like package.json, tailwind.config, gitignore, and readme.md files. These files handle project dependencies, styling configuration, version control rules, and documentation. And go back to backend folder. In the backend folder, it contains all the server-side logic built using Node.js and Express.js. The config folder contains configuration files such as MongoDB connection setup. This keeps database logic separate and reusable. Next, controllers. Each controller is responsible for a specific feature like authentication, tours, bookings, payments, reviews, and users. This follows the MVC pattern model view controller, making the code clean and maintainable. And here we have models. The model folder defines MongoDB schemas. Using Mongoose, this ensures structured and validated data storage in the database. And here we have backend routes. The routes folder defines REST API endpoints and connects them to the respective controllers. This separation makes the API scalable and easy to manage. Other backend files, we have utility files, and then it's C script for initial data population. The main index.js file, which starts the server. That's all with backend. Now we'll go to the frontend folder. Moving to the frontend folder, which is built using React.js. We have SRC pages. In SRC, we have reference different screen like login, dashboard, and itinerary pages. And we also have context and hooks. Context and custom hooks are used for state management and logic reuse. And we have services and utils. These two service folders are less API calls to the backend, while utils contains helper functions. Overall, the structured approach helps maintain scalability, readability, and clean separation of concerns between front-end and backend. This project structure closely follows industry level practices. Thank you.